Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to maths class. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. Due to the pandemic disease COVID-19, we are unable to take the regular classes. So, I am doing recorded class. The last chapter I want to revise. Some of you asked the difficultiness in this chapter. So, I will quickly revise the concepts of the chapter linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So what is the meaning of linear equations? You might have learned equations. Equation is a statement containing two sides, isn't it? With equal sign. So x is equal to 4. Whether it is an equation is equation is a statement containing two sides with equal sign. Whether x plus 4 is an equation? No. It has only one side. It is called as expression. Clear? Equation has two sides, whereas expression has only one side. What is expression? Expression is a combination of variable and constant. These values, this one is called as variables. X is a variable, Y is a variable, A is a variable. English small alphabets are called as variable. The numbers are called as constants. Clear? So, equation is a statement containing two sides with equal signs. What is the meaning of linear? Linear means, I will write one more equation. X square is equal to 9. X to the power 3 is equal to 27. These are equations. This also equation. This also equations. What do you mean by linear? Linear equations means in the equation the power of the variable is 1. X is equal to 4. What about the power of x? It is 1. Usually we won't write. The power of the equation is 1 is called as linear equations and it has only one values. Linear equation in one variable. Whether x plus y is equal to whether it is a linear equation? Yes, of course. How many variables are there? Two variables. So it is linear equation in two variable. X is equal to 5. Linear equation in one variable. Like this equation we are going to see. Understood? An equation containing a variable is of degree 1 is called as linear equation and it is having only one variable are called as in one variables. So what is the meaning of solution of linear equations? What is the meaning of solution? Solutions means finding the values of the equations. Finding the values of the variable. So let's see the first one. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Suppose the question is solve. What is the meaning of solve? Solve means to find the value of x here. How we can find the value of x? Using different methods, isn't it? In 7th standard, you might have learned how to solve the equations by using different steps, different rules. The first rule is adding the same numbers on both sides. Second is subtracting the same numbers on both sides. Third one is multiplying the same numbers on both sides. Fourth one is dividing the same numbers on both sides. Fifth one is interchanging the LHS and RHS. The sixth one is transposing the values. We can make use of any one methods here. So the given equation is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. We need to find the value of x here. So x you keep as it is. Means 2x you keep as it is. Equal sign as it is. 7 as it is. Minus 3 you transpose. When it goes that it becomes plus. Or 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. Or x is equal to 10. The relationship between these two is multiplication. When 2 goes that side, it divides. So x is equal to 2 how many times? 5 times. This is called as solution. Solutions means finding the values of x. The next one, if needed, solve the equations. For example, x minus 2 is equal to 7. How we can find x is equal to 7 We need to find value of x, keep as it is, 7 as it is, equals 10 as it is, minus 2 to the side, plus 2, x is equal to how much? 9. The third one is, I think you feel this problem is difficult, no problem. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So what you need to do? We need to find the value of x, isn't it? So you keep minus 7x as it is, equals 10 as it is, 9 as it is. When this goes that side, it becomes minus 15 by 4, or minus 7x is equal to, how to find this side? You know how to take the LCM. 9 means 9 by 1, 15 by 4. What is the LCM of 1 and 4? 4 is the LCM. Got it? LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Now equalize the denominators. How many times 4 goes with 1? 4 times. 4 9s are 36. Minus 4 get cancels, equalizing 15 remains. Or minus 7x is equal to 36 minus 15 is how much? 19 divided by 4. Isn't it? So 19 divided by 4. So x is equal to 19 divided by 4 minus 7. When comes this side, it becomes any guessing? Into 1 by minus 7. So that is equal to x is equal to 19 ones are 19 divided by 4 are 7s are 28. So the answer is sign is minus. So minus 19 by 28 is the answer. The next one, x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. We need to find the value of x, so keep x as it is, equals n as it is, minus 3 by 2 as it is, and this goes that side, transposes minus 5 by 2. Again, LCM is 2. You know how to take the LCM of two numbers. So 2 is the LCM, it gets cancels, minus 3, it gets cancels, minus 5. That is equal to x by 3. So x by 3 is equal to, if both are minus, add the number, minus keep as it is by 2, x is equal to 2 how many times? X by 3 is equal to minus 4, or x is equal to, when 1 by 3 goes that side, it multiplies. So x is equal to minus 12. Clear? The next concept is applications of linear equations in one variable. What is the meaning of applications? So far you have seen the equations. Now they will give the statements. For that statements we need to write the equations. For example, the first example they have given is sum of two number is 74. Sum of two number is 74. One of the number is 10. One of the number is 10 more than the other. 10 more than the other. Question: find these two numbers. Find these two numbers. Find these two numbers. Consider there are two numbers. When we add that two numbers, we will get 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other. Suppose one number is x, other number is x plus 10. Suppose the one number is y, other number is y plus 10. The one number is x, other number is x plus 10. If you add, you will get 74. Very easy statement. So x and x plus 10, if you add, you will get 74. So we need to add. Like terms can be added. Like terms x and x, 2x plus 10 is equal to 74. Clear? like terms can be added. X plus x means 1x plus 1x, that is equal to 2x. That's how I have written. 2x plus 10 is equal to 74. Now solving equations. 2x is equal to 74 and plus 10 for that side minus 10. 2x is equal to 74 minus 10 is 64. X is equal to 64 by 2, that is equal to 32. So the one number is 32. Other number is 10 more means 32 plus 10. If you add this, you should get 74. Is it true? Yes. 32 plus 10 is 42. If you add this, you will get 74. This is the question. One number is 10 more than the other, so that you will get 74. Next, solving the equations. Solving the equations. Both sides consist of variables. For example, x plus 4 is equal to 2. Here one side consists of variables. Now both sides consist of variables. Both sides having variables. Such questions we need to solve. The first one is 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. How to solve this? 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So both sides consist of variables. So you keep variables on one side and constant on other side. 2x you keep as it is. When plus x comes this side, it becomes minus x. Equals and as it is. You keep 2 as it is. When minus 3 goes that side, it becomes plus 3. So 2x minus x is 1x or x. 2 plus 3 is 3. Second one is 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. So variables 5x and this one you bring this side, it becomes minus 3 by 2x is equal to minus 14 as it is. When this goes that side, minus 7 by 2. This is 5x, this is minus 3 by 2x. 5x means 5 by 1. Taking LCM of these two, 2 and 1, LCM is 1. You might have learned how to take LCM. 1 and 2 is 2. So equalizing denominators 2. How many times it goes? 2 times. These two you multiply here, it becomes 5 to the 10x minus equalizing the denominators, compare the denominator, get cancelled, 1 remains. 1 3 is 3 into x, which is equal to, again in this side also 2 is the LCM. 2 times minus 28 minus 2 get cancelled 7. 10x minus 3x is 7x by 2. This is equal to, if both are minus, add the number 35, keep minus and as it is by 2. Or 7 by 2 into x is equal to minus 35 divided by 2. Or x is equal to minus 35 by 2. When this goes that side, it reciprocal, that is 2 by 7. You might have learned in 7th standard what is reciprocal. The number reverses when goes from one side to other side. So 7 ones are 7 5s are 2 get cancels. X is equal to minus 5. The answer. The next one. Some more applications. Again, statement problems have given. Arjun is statement problems again. Twice old as Shriya. 5 years ago, their age was 3 times. Their age was 3 times. Five years ago, Arjun's age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. present age. We do not know the ages of these two children, isn't it? So we need to find the value. Statement is given. First we need to write the equations. So Arjun is twice old as Shriya. Suppose age of Shriya is x, age of Arjun is 2x. 5 years ago means 5 years before x minus 5. This is 2x minus 5. The equation is given was 3 times. This is equal. So 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 5. This is given. So 5 years ago, for both 5 years ago, minus 5 indicates 5 years ago. If it is plus 5 years after. So 5 years ago, Shriya's age is 3 times the Arjun's age. Or 5 times, 3 times the Arjun's age. So this is the equations. We need to simplify this. 3 into x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5. Open the brackets. 3 into x is 3x minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 2x minus 5. So 3x you keep as it is. 2x comes this side becomes minus 2x is equal to minus 5. And go this side plus 15. 3x minus 2x is x is equal to minus 5 plus 15 is 10. So the percentage of Shriya is nothing but x, that is equal to 10. The percentage of Arjun is 3 times 10, that is equal to 30 years. Okay, this is the question. Last one is reducing the linear equations. Some equations will be given. We have reduced in the form of linear equations. For example, solve x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. We need to solve this one. How to solve? Looks difficult, isn't it? Very easy. So LHS and RHS, cross multiplication. What do you mean by cross multiplication? Numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator are always equal. That is, for x plus 1 you need to multiply 8. That is always equal to, for 3 you need to multiply 2x plus 3. Very important concept, very important. Open the brackets. How to open the brackets? 8 with both the numbers. 8 into x is 8x plus 8 ones are 8. 3 with both the numbers you need to multiply. 3 is 2s are 6x plus 3 is 9. So 8x you keep as it is. 6x you bring this side. Minus 6x is equal to 9. When plus side goes as a minus 8. 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1. Or x is equal to 1. When 2 comes this side it becomes divides 1 by 2. Last one is 8x minus 3 divided by solve 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. What is the meaning of 2? 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Cross multiplication. 8x minus 3 into 1. And multiply 1, value won't change. 2 into 3x. Or 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x is 6x. 8x, when 6x comes this side becomes minus 6x is equal to minus 3 goes that side plus 3. Or 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 divided by 2. I hope these concepts are understood. Quickly I have revised them. Already we have seen these chapters. Also you have taken these notes. Okay, thank you.